it's Robin, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today for dinner, I made Sophia Loren's meatballs. They're delicious and very easy to make. I'll show you how to make them. In a large bowl, pour milk and add 4 slices of stale bread. Now, I usually don't have stale bread laying around, so I toasted mine, and I believe that toast added more flavor. And then let it sit for 10 minutes. Then squeeze out the excess milk and add the bread to a pound of veal. You can use lean ground beef if you choose to. Add salt and pepper. That's the only seasoning. And then combine. You want to shape the meatballs to be slightly larger than a golf ball. And then dredge it in flour. And make 15 more. In a large skillet, you want to heat olive oil. And I've got about 2 centimeters of oil there. And on medium heat, you want to fry the meatballs on both sides and use 2 batches if necessary. And you'll drain those on a paper towel. Just wipe out the pan and add white wine and reduce by 1/4. And then add chicken stock and the cream. Cook for a couple minutes and return the meatballs to the saucepan with the cream, and you're basically done. Now, I'm showing you the original recipe. You see that the cream tends to pull a disappearing act, so I double the recipe for the cream sauce. So I can serve it elegantly like so, with a vibrant dinner salad, or over mashed potatoes, and serve it with white wine. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help.